Welcome to our lecture on Howard Gardner's groundbreaking theory of multiple intelligences. Developed in 1983, this theory revolutionized the way we think about human potential. Traditionally, intelligence was seen as a single, measurable entity, something you could quantify with an IQ test. But Gardner challenged this notion. He proposed that intelligence is not one-dimensional. Instead, it manifests in different forms, each representing a unique way of interacting with the world. This idea has profound implications for education, personal development, and even career choices. So, what are these intelligences, and how can understanding them transform our approach to learning? Let's dive in. Gardner identified 9 distinct intelligences, each representing a different way of processing information and solving problems. Let's go through them briefly. 1. Linguistic intelligence, or word smart, is about mastering language. 2. Logical and mathematical intelligence, or number smart, involves reasoning and problem solving. 3. Musical intelligence, or music smart, allows individuals to understand rhythm and melody. 4. Naturalistic intelligence, or nature smart, focuses on recognizing patterns in nature. 5. Spatial intelligence, or picture smart, involves visualizing and manipulating images in your mind. 6. Intrapersonal intelligence, or self-smart, is about self-awareness. 7. Interpersonal intelligence, or people smart, relates to understanding others. 8. Existential intelligence, or deep thought smart, involves pondering profound life questions. 9. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, or body smart, is about using your body effectively. Each of these intelligences highlights different strengths and talents. Understanding them allows us to appreciate the diverse ways in which people learn and excel. Let us dive into each of these in detail. Let's start with linguistic intelligence. This is the ability to use language effectively, whether spoken or written. People with high linguistic intelligence are often great communicators. They can express ideas clearly, persuade others, and evoke emotions through words. Think of poets like Maya Angelou, authors like J.K. Rowling, or public speakers like Martin Luther King Jr. In education, recognizing linguistic intelligence can help teachers use storytelling, debates, and writing exercises to engage students who thrive on words. If you're someone who loves reading, writing, or word games, you might be tapping into your linguistic intelligence. Next, we have logical mathematical intelligence. This is the ability to think logically, recognize patterns, and solve complex problems. People with high logical mathematical intelligence excel in fields like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Think of Albert Einstein, whose theories changed our understanding of the universe, or modern innovators like Elon Musk, who use logical thinking to solve real-world problems. In education, this intelligence can be nurtured through puzzles, experiments, and hands-on problem-solving activities. If you love solving Sudoku puzzles or analyzing data, you're likely demonstrating logical mathematical intelligence. Linguistic intelligence and logical mathematical intelligence are the traditional IQ intelligences which are traditionally evaluated in academics. Musical intelligence is the ability to recognize, create, and appreciate musical patterns. It goes beyond just playing an instrument, it's about understanding pattern, rhythm, pitch, and melody. Musicians like Beethoven or contemporary artists like Beyoncé possess high musical intelligence. But it's not limited to performers. Music therapists use this intelligence to help people heal and express themselves. Data analysts use patterns in their research. In education, incorporating music into lessons can help students with strong musical intelligence absorb information more effectively. Have you ever found yourself remembering a fact better when it's set to a tune? That's musical intelligence at work. Naturalistic intelligence is the ability to identify and categorize elements of the natural world. Botanists, ecologists, and chefs often have high naturalistic intelligence. Think of Charles Darwin, who revolutionized our understanding of biology, or modern environmentalists who advocate for sustainability. Remember, many inventions were possible by analyzing natural phenomena. In education, outdoor activities, nature walks, and experiments can help students with this intelligence connect with their environment. If you enjoy gardening, hiking, or identifying different plant species, you're using your naturalistic intelligence. Spatial intelligence involves the ability to visualize and manipulate objects in your mind. Architects, artists, and designers often excel in this area. Imagine an architect designing a building or a painter visualizing a masterpiece before putting brush to canvas. This intelligence helps people navigate space, interpret maps, and think in 3 dimensions. In education, visual aids like diagrams, charts, mind maps and models can help students with high spatial intelligence grasp concepts more easily. If you enjoy solving jigsaw puzzles, sketching, or imagining how a room could be rearranged, you're using your spatial intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence is about understanding yourself, your thoughts, feelings, and motivations. People with this intelligence often excel in self-reflection and personal growth. Philosophers, counselors, and spiritual leaders like the Dalai Lama often possess high intrapersonal intelligence. It helps individuals set goals, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and manage their emotions. In education, self-assessment tools and reflective exercises can foster this intelligence. If you enjoy journaling, meditation, or setting personal goals, you're likely tapping into your intrapersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Teachers, therapists, and leaders often have strong interpersonal skills. This intelligence involves empathy, communication, and the ability to build relationships. Think of leaders like Nelson Mandela or Oprah Winfrey, who connect with people on a deep level. In education, group activities, discussions, and peer learning can help students with strong interpersonal intelligence thrive. If you find yourself naturally understanding others' emotions or mediating conflicts, you likely have high interpersonal intelligence. Existential intelligence involves pondering deep questions about life, death, and existence. It's the ability to think about the bigger picture and seek meaning in life. Philosophers, theologians, and deep thinkers often possess this intelligence. Think of figures like Socrates, who questioned the nature of existence, or modern thinkers exploring the universe's mysteries. In education, encouraging students to ask why questions and explore ethical dilemmas can foster this intelligence. If you find yourself reflecting on your purpose or the meaning of life, you're tapping into your existential intelligence. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is all about using your body to express ideas and solve problems. Athletes, dancers, surgeons, and craftspeople often have high bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Think of a gymnast performing a perfect routine or a chef creating a culinary masterpiece with precise movements. This intelligence is not just about physical strength but also about control and coordination. In education, it's important to include hands-on activities, role-playing, and physical exercises to engage students with this intelligence. If you love building things, dancing, or working with your hands, you might have a strong bodily kinesthetic intelligence. The theory of multiple intelligences has transformed how we approach education. It encourages personalized learning, recognizing that students have different strengths and ways of learning. By tailoring teaching methods to various intelligences, educators can engage students more effectively. For example, incorporating art projects can help students with spatial intelligence, while group discussions benefit those with interpersonal intelligence. This approach promotes holistic development and helps students reach their full potential. The multiple intelligences approach offers numerous benefits for learners. It boosts self-confidence by recognizing unique abilities. It enhances engagement by making learning more relevant and enjoyable. And it promotes inclusivity, ensuring that all students feel valued and capable. Recognizing different intelligences also prepares students for diverse career paths, from the arts to sciences. By acknowledging and nurturing various intelligences, we create a more supportive and effective learning environment. In today's fast-paced world, multiple intelligences theory is more relevant than ever. It addresses the diverse learning needs of modern students and prepares them for various careers. Whether someone becomes an artist, scientist, entrepreneur, or teacher, recognizing their unique intelligences helps them succeed. It also promotes lifelong learning and adaptability, crucial skills in a rapidly changing world. Understanding MI theory empowers individuals to embrace their strengths and continue growing throughout their lives. While widely accepted, Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences theory is not without its critics. Some researchers argue that the theory lacks sufficient empirical evidence to back up its claims. They believe that the intelligences described are more like talents or personality traits rather than separate intelligences. Additionally, it can be difficult to measure these intelligences accurately. For example, how do we quantify someone's musical or existential intelligence? Another concern is the potential for misinterpretation in educational settings. Some educators might label students based on their perceived dominant intelligence, leading to limitations in their learning opportunities. However, despite these challenges, the theory remains influential, especially in encouraging a more personalized and inclusive approach to education. The key takeaway is to use MI as a framework to inspire diverse teaching methods rather than a rigid categorization tool. To wrap up, Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences reminds us that intelligence is multifaceted and that every individual has unique strengths. Recognizing and valuing these different forms of intelligence can transform the way we teach and learn. It encourages educators to diversify their teaching methods, ensuring that all learners are engaged and motivated. The theory also empowers learners to recognize their unique abilities, boosting their confidence and helping them pursue careers that align with their strengths. In today's rapidly changing world, fostering a variety of intelligences prepares individuals to adapt, innovate, and succeed in diverse fields. Thank you for joining this session on multiple intelligences. I hope it has inspired you to appreciate the many ways we all can be smart and to think about how we can apply this understanding in education and beyond.